Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India. Today we will discuss about the Vector and Scorpion drone system for Indian Army. Serving in the war zone between Russia and Ukraine, the latest state-of-the-art, Vector and Scorpion drone, which is India's longest-range drone with a 65-kilometer telemetric range, is all set to undergo test trials along the line of actual control in Ladakh in July, ahead of its possible induction into the armed forces. The 2-in-1 unmanned aerial system is an intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) drone, providing capabilities to both the military and other security forces. It exceeds the performance of the current tactical UAS platforms in most services in difficult terrains and urban environments all over the world. These drones are currently serving in the battle zones of Russia and Ukraine. With IP66 rating, it has an endurance of 2 hours and can fly during a drizzle and in the snow weather, making it suitable for the operation in the India's northern frontiers. The Vector 2-in-1 vertical takeoff reconnaissance UAV is flexible and enduring, provides flight and surveillance characteristics that exceed the performance of the current UAV platforms in service all over the world. The UAS can operate in the most difficult terrain, combined with low noise emission makes the Vector the perfect UAV for a wide range of non-invasive aerial operations, and it can send encrypted video streams up to a range of 15 kilometers. The 2-in-1 system design opens up further applications with the Scorpion configuration. By removing the wings and attaching a separate set of copter arms, a multi-copter platform becomes available for an even wider variety of missions. Induction of Vector 2-in-1 UAS system in the Indian Armed Forces will not only increase the intelligence gathering capacities of Indian Army but also gives a boost to Make in Indian initiatives. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.